blood glucose monitoring return demonstration.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Alexia from SNPC Group 2, and today I will going to perform blood glucose monitoring. First, review the patient's medical history for diabetes type, and then medications and anticoagulant therapy. And next, determine if the test requires special timing, for example, before or after meals. Blood glucose monitoring is usually done prior to meals and the administration of anti-diabetic medications. The equipment needed, the disposable gloves, the alcohol swab or the wet cotton, and the lancet or automatic cleansing device, and the cotton dry, and the reagent strips, and the blood glucose meter. And then determine if blood glucose meter needs to be calibrated and perform hand hygiene. And then apply non-sterile gloves. Assess patient size for skin puncture. Sir? Have patient wash hands with soaps and warm water and position the patient comfortably in a semi-upright position in bed or upright in a chair. Encourage patient to keep hands warm. And then hospital policy may require use of an alcohol swab only, not water to clean the puncture site. Ensure that puncture site is completely dry prior to skin puncture. Follow the manufacturer's instruction to prepare the measure for measurement. And then remove a reagent strip from the container and reseal the container cap. Do not touch the test pad portion of the reagent strip. Follow the manufacturer's instruction to prepare the meter for measurement. Keep area to be punctured in a dependent position. Do not milk or massage finger site. Assess for client has calluses or corns on the puncture sites. Select appropriate puncture site and perform skin puncture. Wipe away the first droplet of blood with a cotton ball or gauze as indicated. Gently squeeze above the site to produce a large droplet of blood. Spread the first drop of blood or a second drop, if indicated by agency policy or manufacturer's instruction, to the reagent strip and apply following the manufacturer's instruction. Immediately press the timer of the meter unless it starts automatically with insertion of reagent strip. Apply pressure or ask patient to apply pressure to the puncture site using a 2x2 gauze pad or clean dry cotton. Read the results on the unit display. 95 milligram per deciliter. And then turn off the meter and dispose of the test strip. Test strip and then the cotton and lancet according to agency policy, and then remove non-sterile gloves and place them in an appropriate receptacle. And then perform hand hygiene. And then review test result with patient. Good morning, sir. Yung test result ko sa CCTV score is 95, which is medyo mababa po sa normal. And lastly, documents results according to agency